Welcome to this in-depth review of Quadency, a platform that offers automated crypto trading solutions for beginners and advanced traders alike. Today, we'll go step by step through the interface, trading tools, and overall user experience to determine whether this bot is worth using for your crypto trading needs. Upon logging into Quadency, you're greeted with a clean and modern dashboard. The first thing that stands out is the intuitive layout, with easy navigation between different sections, including portfolio tracking, trading bots, and market analysis. The platform supports multiple popular exchanges such as Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase Pro, making it a flexible option for traders who use various exchanges. One of the most appealing features of Quadency is its wide range of trading bots. It offers pre-configured strategies like grid trading, market making, and smart order bots, which help users automate their trades with minimal effort. For advanced users, there's also the option to customize bots according to specific strategies. The backtesting feature allows traders to test their strategies on historical data, which is crucial in refining and optimizing trading algorithms. The marketplace within Quadency provides an overview of all available trading strategies. Each bot comes with a detailed description, including expected performance and optimal market conditions. Deploying a bot is straightforward. Simply select an exchange, configure the bot parameters, and launch it. Quadency also provides performance tracking so users can monitor how their bots are performing in real time. The pricing model of Quadency includes a free plan with limited bot access and paid tiers that offer more features. Compared to competitors like 3 and CryptoHopper, Quadency's pricing structure is competitive, especially for traders who want access to advanced bots without spending a fortune. The platform also periodically runs promotions and free trials, allowing users to test premium features before committing to a subscription. Security is a key factor when choosing a crypto trading bot, and Quadency implements robust security measures such as API key encryption and two-factor authentication. The platform does not store user funds. Instead, it connects directly to exchanges via API keys, which adds an extra layer of security. Aside from automation, Quadency also offers manual trading with advanced charting tools powered by TradingView. This allows traders to conduct technical analysis and execute trades directly from the platform, without switching between multiple tabs. The portfolio tracking feature aggregates all assets across connected exchanges, giving users a complete overview of their crypto holdings. Many useful links can be found in the description. Do this after looking video. User experience is another strong point of Quadency. The interface is well designed, making it easy to navigate even for beginners. The setup process is straightforward, and the onboarding tutorials help new users get started quickly. Compared to other trading bots, Quadency provides a smoother experience with fewer technical complexities. Customer support is available through live chat and email. While response times are generally fast, support is primarily available during business hours. The knowledge base is comprehensive, covering topics such as bot configuration, troubleshooting, and exchange integration. One of the drawbacks of Quadency is that while it offers many automation features, it lacks certain advanced options that professional traders might look for, such as custom script-based bots. However, for the majority of users, the pre-built strategies and user-friendly interface make it an excellent choice. Overall, Quadency is a solid trading bot platform that balances ease of use with powerful automation features. It's a great choice for both beginners and experienced traders looking to streamline their crypto trading. The availability of a free plan makes it accessible, while the premium plans provide additional tools for those who want more control over their trading strategies. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and crypto trading content. See you in the next video.